Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Science with me. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss glaucoma. This glaucoma is a group of eye disorders that are usually due to intraocular hypertension, and this may lead to irreversible loss of vision. So let's discuss what is this intraocular hypertension and what are the causes of this glaucoma. Our eye contains two sections, anterior and posterior. This anterior section contains iris, cornea and lens, while the posterior section is composed of a narrow space between the iris and the lens and this vitreous chamber. This anterior section is filled with a fluid called aqueous humor, while the posterior section is filled with a fluid which is called vitreous humor. Aqueous humor is actually a watery fluid secreted by the ciliary epithelium. Aqueous humor produced in the posterior chamber, the space between the front of the lens and back of this iris. You can see here the aqueous humor produced between the front of the lens and the back of this iris, and then this flows through the pupil of the anterior chamber. From there the fluid flows out through the trabecular meshwork. This is the trabecular meshwork, which is a spongy tissue that acts like a drainage, and this trabecular meshwork allows the fluid to go down into a circular chamber. This circular chamber or the circular channel called the canal of Schlemm. From there the fluid enters into the aqueous vein. So this is the normal drainage system of the aqueous humor. In glaucoma, part of the aqueous humor drainage system becomes partially or completely blocked, so that the fluid cannot easily drain out, and this causes the pressure within the fixed space between the, you can see here, this is the narrow space. This posterior portion contains narrow space. When the blockage occurs, then the pressure will build up between this narrow space and the patient suffers a lot. In result, intraocular hypertension takes place. What is this intraocular hypertension? This intraocular hypertension is a pressure greater than 21 mm of mercury or 2.8 kilopascals. Now, what are the symptoms of this glaucoma? In glaucoma, a patient may lose peripheral or side vision. There is intense eye pain. The eye may be red, a red eye, seeing ring around eyes. When you see any object, then rainbow color circles may appear. A blurred vision. A patient may suffer from headache and continuous tenderness around eyes occur. So this is all about the glaucoma. I hope you understand this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Learn Science with me. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you.